Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the camera timer in this device. Open the camera. Now tap on the four dots you can see here. Tap on this one. So here you can see the timer icon you can see here. So if you tap on this one, from just 2 seconds to 10 seconds we can set the camera timer. Okay, now I am going to tap on the 5 seconds. After select the 5 seconds, then after tap on the shutter button, only they will count up to 5 seconds. Then after that it will take a photo. So let me show you. Yeah, I selected the camera timer for 5 seconds. Now I am going to tap on the shutter button. You can see this counting. Yeah, successfully it took a photo. If you want to switch to 10 seconds, now tap on the shutter button. Now you can see this counting from the 10. Yeah. So from 2 seconds to 10 seconds, you can set the timer in this device. So simply in this way, we can set the camera timer in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.